Very good evening, traders. Once again, welcome to MST School of Trading. So, people are asking about, sir, please teach me silver micro strategy. So, it is if one point is moved, 1 rupee, so I will get a profit. The movement is very good. So, for those people, so we have silver mega, silver mini, and silver micro. Silver mega 1.30 rupees, silver mini 1.5 rupees, and silver micro 1.1 rupee. So it was before. I think NSE has not changed, MCX has not changed any pattern. So now how to add that silver micro to your watch list. So just click here. There are 3 lines, 4 lines are here in the right side. That is called as watch list in the trading platform. Just click here, and here click the plus button. Okay, click on to the plus button, and here you type silver micro, SILVERMIC. So now you got it. MCX features silver micro. Just give one click button. So if you don't want some other scripts, that you can delete. Tesla and all we don't want. Okay, so we are mainly focusing on the Indian market. If you want, you can keep Doge and all. So now I'm going here. Once again, I'm typing silver mic. Click here, and automatically that will be added to your watch list. Now you click onto the symbol. Now you will be able to see our indicator here. So now you see the perfection of our indicator. Today what happened? Exactly market opened and it has come down and it has touched our buy zone. So from here it has reversed back and we got our all targets hit, and from the sell zone again it has reversed back. So after that, so here we will not be taking the entry because already we booked the profit. Per day only one trade. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. Only if SL hit, we will be going for the reversal entry. So this concept is very simple. Okay. Suppose if you are coming in the evening market and taking the entry here, and you will be in a loss. So once you book the loss, what you have to do? You have to go for the reversal entry immediately. If buy side SL hit, go for the second sell entry. That's all. So now you see in second sell what happened? Target hit. So whatever time you are coming to the market, our indicator is giving you the profit. See here, yesterday buy activated, targets hit, sell activated, targets hit, buy activated, targets hit. So what else you want? See here, buy activated, targets hit, buy activated, again targets hit, again buy activated, first target near but target not given, and sell activated, all the targets hit, and previous day sell activated, not target hit, and buy activated, target hit, and previous day sell activated, all the targets hit. So now single tool is performing well in all the markets, not only Indian market or MCX or commodity or whatever it is. It is performing well in all the markets. See in silver mega, perfectly buy entry, again targets hit, perfectly sell entry, again target hit, once again perfectly sell entry, again targets hit, sell activated, there also we got the targets. So this is the beautiful of our indicator. So hope this is clear. So whichever side you are using, that side you will get a profit, and our strategy is very simple. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. If SL hit, you have to go for the reversal entry. And if you are an aggressive trader, you have practiced our bullish R3C and bearish R3C, then you can take the entry wherever you want. Hope this is the method we are teaching you right from the inception of our YouTube channel. And whoever has already subscribed before 7 years, for them also we have taught the same concept. So you take any one strategy and keep practicing them. As Bruce Lee once said, I am not afraid of a person who knows 10,000 katas. He has not practiced it. But I am afraid of a person who knows one katas and he has practiced it 10,000 times. Like that, we have given you one tool, you practice it 10,000 times and become a professional trader. Okay. Don't jump onto different strategy. It will not give you success. If you follow the same strategy again and again and again, no one can beat you. So this is the mantra of our success. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us through WhatsApp message, through email. Our executive members will be very happy to help you, but please do not call us again and again. We will not be able to answer your calls, because while talking to you, we will be able to answer so many people queries. So that is the reason. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.